Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about what carburetor I recommend to use on your old Chevy. I know most of your people watching this all have LS motors in your Chevy, but some of us want to keep it old school using the 283, 327, 350, etc. I think the best carburetor out there is the quick fuel carburetor. This happens to be their Brawler series with the 600 CFM electric choke. I nicknamed the thing horsepower right out of the box. Bolted it on there, hooked up the fuel lines, the throttle linkage, the vacuum lines, got inside, fired right up. Let it idle for a little bit, let it warm up, did a couple adjustments, drove around the block a few times, reset the timing, adjusted the air fuel mixture. Thing runs great. Let me start it up for you. I can get in the morning, don't even hit the gas, starts right up. I'm driving the car all day long, don't even hit the gas, starts right up. It's been a great carburetor. I think I've had it on there now for about 6 months. Been performing great. Good luck everybody. Thank you for watching.